Hi everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel. Today we're going to draw a super cute singing sunflower. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. First we're going to draw a big circle right in the middle of our paper. This circle will be the center of our sunflower. Next, let's give our sunflower a cute face. Inside the circle, draw 2 round eyes. Add a small circle inside each eye and fill in the rest. Then draw a big happy smile. Now let's add the sunflower's petals. Using wavy lines or semicircles, draw petals all around the circle. Keep going until you've completed the circle with petals. Great! The basic shape of our sunflower is done. Next, let's draw the stem. Use 2 straight lines to form the stem, right below the flower. Now let's draw the flower pot. Start with a horizontal line. Below the line, draw an upside-down trapezoid. Connect a rectangle to the bottom of the trapezoid. And there we have our flower pot. Next, we need some leaves for our sunflower. Draw long oval shapes on either side of the stem. Add a curve in the middle to make them look more like leaves. Time to accessorize our sunflower. Let's give it a lovely headband. Draw small dots around the sunflower's forehead to form the headband. Then inside each petal, draw lines to show the petal's texture, using small curves connected to little dots. Let's decorate the flower pot with some fun patterns. Be creative and add any design you like. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Use a magenta marker to decorate the sunflower's headband. Take a pink marker to color the sunflower's cheeks. Color the petals with an orange marker, and use a green marker to add dots and lines to the leaves and stem. For the flower pot, use a brown marker. Color the bottom part of the pot with alternating dark blue and light blue. This adds a nice touch of color. Finally, let's add some background details. Use a pink marker to draw a fence. Color the fence with light green using vertical or horizontal lines. Then use an orange marker to draw some small hearts. Lastly, take a blue marker and draw some pretty musical notes around our singing sunflower. And there you have it. Our adorable singing sunflower is complete. I hope you had fun drawing with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time.
Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.